The perfect backsplash can serve as the perfect backdrop for your kitchen, like this matte black subway tile. File this tile under Awesome. Tiling really isn't that difficult. You just have to make sure to figure out your pattern and then measure things out ahead of time. Once that's done, trowel your mastic on the wall. You want to keep it pretty thin and even, no big globs. Press your tiles onto the mastic. Some tiles will need a little back butter for extra hold. Spacers will be your best friend. Use these between each tile to ensure perfect spacing for your grout lines. So what I need you to do is take a full tile and measure and mark exactly at 3 inches. That way I'll know where to put this next one. Okay. There will come a point where you need to cut some tiles down to size. To do this, you need a wet saw. If you don't have one, you can rent one. Once you've got all those steps down, repeat like a couple hundred times. You'll need to give the tile about a day to set up and dry before grouting. This matte black tile brings all the sophistication and cool factor to this kitchen. I'm obsessed with it. For more information about this subway tile project, visit lowes.com/theweekender and be sure to subscribe to Lowe's YouTube channel so you don't miss a single episode.